So I am Cube Master. So today we're gonna solve Rubik's cubes. So, I'm not gonna scramble this one up because because this is really special to me and I kind of forget how to solve this one. So I'm not gonna solve all these. So I'm gonna just put this one down here. And I don't feel like solving it anyway. So yeah, we are gonna solve these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes. I know one's a triangle. It's actually, so this was, okay. I'm sorry, I'm getting so far ahead of myself. I'm going to name all of the Rubik's cubes I have. I have 2 2x2s. One's bigger than the other one. This one's scanned. I don't know what this one is. I kind of forgot. This one's if I'm not mistaken, an Armstrong. I forgot. It starts with an A. 5x5. This is also the same, I think. 6x6, and I've lost some of the pieces, but that's okay. I got a 4x4, which should actually go here. I don't know what this one. It's in Chinese. I forgot what it's called. My grandma got this for me, or technically for her because she thought it was a 3x3, but she got a 4x4, 3x3, and a 5x5. So yeah. Anyways, this is a pyramid. This is a dino cube. And this is a 6-spot cube, and it's not solved. Let me solve it real quick. You might hear people talking about them. Just ignore it, please. It's my parents and my brother, so yeah. Alright, solve it. Alright, now I'm gonna scramble all these. I'm gonna do time lapse. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I got them all scrambled. I kind of wish I scrambled the other one, but at the same time, I'm tired, and when I'm tired, I get grumpy, so I don't like to. Sometimes that gives me a little bit of anger issues. I'm joking, but anyway. So let's get started. These 2x2s I can do outside of time lapse, but the other ones I will have to do time lapse, so let's get on with it. I sing this song. Let's see. It's starting down to her. Oh. Alright, let's get on with it. Okay, let's seriously get on with it. Alrighty, we got everyone done, including also a pop. See if I can fix it. I forgot how to. But anyways, always remember, never give up. And I'll see you guys next time, next week even maybe. Okay, bye guys.